Why do legal content creators add so many disclaimers to their posts? If you just finished up my 4-part series with a dozen legal related tips, you may have noticed that I chose to recite the same shtick at the beginning of each segment, explicitly stating that the tips are for general, educational, and informational purposes only, reminding you that I'm not your lawyer, and urging you to speak with your own legal counsel in the context of an attorney-client relationship to address the specifics of your particular circumstances. I've had similar verbal disclaimers in other videos as well, depending on content that I may feel may be at a particularly high risk of being misconstrued as personalized or universally applicable advice. And note that none of it ever is. And regardless of the topic, you'll notice that I post a disclaimer at the end of each video, as well as in various places on my social media and websites. Pretty much every legal content creator I've seen takes a similar approach. But why be so obsessive about it? The primary reason is that we have no way of knowing who is going to watch these videos or what their particular needs are. If you were my client, we'd have a lot of detailed conversations about your goals and priorities and concerns. I'd know which jurisdictions' laws and guidance are applicable to you and your business, and over time, I'd get a strong sense of your risk tolerance and contracting preferences. That's just not possible on social media. Social media is weird. It can create a sense of intimacy and trust and connection, and that's what makes these disclaimers necessary and not superfluous. We want to minimize the risk of anyone misinterpreting general educational posts as personalized legal advice, ever, because it simply is not. It's highly generalized information, which I hope will be relevant and interesting or useful to a large number of people, but it can't ever take the place of a real attorney-client relationship or substitute for the specific duties and responsibilities that type of relationship entails. It's also a requirement of almost every state bar association's ethical guidelines as necessary to maintaining the integrity and dignity of the legal profession and ensuring that the general public is not misled. Some of these same considerations play into the ways in which we're allowed to advertise our businesses or otherwise hold ourselves out in public forums. I know that lawyers are the butt of a lot of jokes, often well deserved, but the tenets of legal ethics and professionalism really do matter a whole lot to a whole lot of us. And I hope that my videos help to demystify the legal profession for small and medium-sized business owners and to help make us lawyers more approachable and the thought of engaging us for assistance more appealing. But ultimately, you really do need to go out and find your own attorney, and certainly don't rely solely on my or any other attorney's videos and posts if you need a specific legal solution. Business owners, what other questions about legal ethics and professionalism do you have? And how can I help demystify the legal profession for you?